In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We're going to walk through how to get from Squarespace's main site into your account dashboard, open your website settings, and quickly find the code injection panel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go when you need to place snippets like analytics tags or other site-wide scripts in your header and footer. Keep your browser handy and make sure you're signed in to your Squarespace account so the interface looks familiar as we go. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is a reliable entry point into the platform and gives you access to all the tools you need. If you're not already logged in, use your usual credentials. Once the page loads, look for the option that takes you to your account area. This keeps things organized so you don't have to jump around later. From there, click on Account Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It's where your sites, subscriptions, and settings live. If you manage more than one website, you'll see them listed here. Take a moment to confirm which site you want to work on so you're making changes in the right place. Inside the dashboard, select Website. This opens your website's management view, where you can access design, pages, commerce, marketing, and advanced settings. If you have multiple sites, choose the one you intend to configure. Opening the correct website view is important because the next action, finding code injection, happens inside that site's settings. Once you're viewing the website, open the search within Settings. You'll usually find a search or quick find bar in the Settings panel. Using search here is the fastest way to jump straight to a specific feature without hunting through categories, especially for advanced options. Type code injection into the search field. As you type, Squarespace will surface matching settings. Code injection is the built-in feature that lets you apply custom code across your entire site, which is ideal for things like analytics, tracking pixels, or third-party scripts that need to load on every page. Now click on Code Injection to open it. You'll see two main fields, one for header and one for footer. The header field loads code early on every page, which is useful for analytics libraries or styles that must initialize immediately. The footer field is best for scripts that can wait until the content has loaded, helping keep your pages feeling fast. Only paste trusted, well-tested code here, and consider documenting what you add so future updates are easier to manage. That's it. Now you know exactly how to navigate to the code injection panel whenever you need it.